The foldable smartphone race is about to heat up again, and this time, Samsung is pushing the limits further than ever. New leaks suggest that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another yearly upgrade, it's a major leap in design, display, and camera technology. Let's start with one of the biggest changes, the display. Samsung is reportedly introducing a much smaller front camera cutout. Thanks to advanced optical engineering and high refractive index lenses, the camera hole could shrink by around 30% compared to the previous generation. That means more screen, less distraction, and a cleaner viewing experience. But making the cutout smaller isn't easy. To achieve this, Samsung is said to be using precision laser engraving and improved vacuum sealing techniques. These innovations reduce the inactive area around the camera while maintaining display quality. At the same time, new lens technology helps capture more light, even through a smaller opening, so your selfies and video calls don't suffer. And it doesn't stop there. Samsung is also working on placing additional sensors, like proximity and ambient light sensors, directly under the display. This move brings the company one step closer to a truly seamless, full-screen foldable experience. Now let's talk about design, because this is where things get really interesting. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to be thinner and more refined than ever before. Early leaks suggest an incredibly slim profile, making it one of the sleekest foldable devices on the market. In fact, when compared to competitors like the Huawei Pura X Max, Samsung's upcoming foldable appears noticeably thinner and more compact in width. This could make a huge difference in everyday usability, especially when holding the device with one hand. Samsung is also rumored to adopt a new aspect ratio, making the device feel more like a tablet when unfolded, while still being comfortable as a phone when folded. This signals a clear shift in Samsung's foldable strategy for 2026, focusing not just on innovation, but also on practicality and user comfort. And of course, there's the camera system. Leaks point toward the introduction of variable focal length technology, which could allow more flexible zoom capabilities without relying heavily on digital processing. If true, this would bring DSLR-like adaptability to a foldable smartphone. Now, when can you expect all of this? Current reports suggest a launch window around late July, which aligns with Samsung's usual release cycle for its foldable lineup. So what does this all mean? The Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just getting thinner or faster, it's becoming smarter, more refined, and closer to the ideal foldable experience we've all been waiting for. A bigger screen without distractions. A slimmer body without compromises. And smarter cameras built for the future. If these leaks turn out to be true, Samsung might just set a new standard for foldable smartphones once again. Stay tuned, because the next generation of foldables is almost here.